Digital drifter. Ever struggled navigating fast-flowing rivers or wished your fishing boat could handle rapids like a pro? What if there was a boat designed to glide effortlessly through challenging waters while giving you full control? That's the idea behind the digital drifter concept. While no commercial boat is officially named digital drifter, it represents the essence of modern drift boats, specialized vessels crafted for maneuvering in rivers and rapids. Drift boats are particularly popular among fly fishing enthusiasts, offering precision, speed, and stability where ordinary boats would struggle. Leading makers like Pavati Marine in Oregon have revolutionized drift boats with aluminum designs optimized through hydrodynamic testing. Their models, such as Guardian, Warrior, and Helium, focus on comfort, performance, and durability. Fiberglass builders like Clackacraft have spent over 30 years perfecting drift boats that withstand the toughest conditions while delivering smooth handling. Custom builders such as High Country Boats and Adipose Boatworks prioritize lightweight yet strong construction, making it easier to navigate tight turns and swift currents. What makes these boats remarkable is how design and materials come together. From reinforced aluminum to advanced fiberglass, drift boats like the digital drifter concept offer superior control, safety, and responsiveness. Whether you're fishing in shallow waters, navigating rapids, or seeking adventure on remote rivers, these boats can transform your experience. Call to action. If you want to experience river boating at its best, learn about drift boats and see why designs like the digital drifter continue to set the standard for performance and fun on the water.